of our house, and it's supposed to be nicer there right now, but tomorrow's going to be crap. So, yay! We're going for a camping trip in the worst possible weather we could have, but we're going to have fun. It's still yucky out. We're supposed to be driving out of the storm.
It's only been 35 minutes.
Well, I want it to be unyucky right now. Taking a walk around the campground. I think I hear a rooster. Huh. There it is. Hey, little guy. So here's the campground, Holly Ridge, North Carolina. A little bit cold, but not too bad. A whole bunch of these trailers are for sale. If anyone would like to buy one. Nice pool over that way. Of course, the water's over that way. And no one can see me pointing. That way. Very quiet. Nobody's up. It's almost 9 in the morning. I've seen no gators. I did see a sign saying not to molest the gators. I'm not sure how that would work. How do you molest a gator? I think you would get eaten. Yeah, I think there's some wood in that fire pit. A whole bunch of cigarette butts in our fire pit. Hope they don't think that's from us. We don't smoke. Nice playground. Store and the pool are over there. Hey, there's someone who's up. Hello. Vacuum and air. Oh, not free. Let's see, how much does this cost? Please walk hose back into machine. Visa or MasterCard. I have no idea. Oh, wait a minute. Here it is. $2. Oh, okay. Well, that's good to know. Yeah, it looks to me like many of these are long term. We're just here for the weekend. But definitely a lot of these are long term. These people even have a storage unit. Huh, neat. Oh look, these people put an addition into their camper. That's a regular camper. And they got a whole porch. Huh. Oh look, there's someone else's way. Oh, they have a porch too. Isn't that wow? Huh. Porches everywhere. And construction equipment. There's a blue building. I don't know what that is. I'll find out later. That's cute. Hello, construction vehicle. I guess I'll go down this way, see what's down here. That rooster is loud. I can still hear it, unless it's a different rooster. Maybe everyone has a rooster. Private drive. I'm just going to go ahead and guess that that's private. Huh, I wonder if someone lives there. Obviously someone lives there. That would be so weird to have a house in the middle of a campground. Maybe it's the owners. I guess that would make sense. But maybe it's not. Okay, this blue building doesn't look too exciting. Oh, that one's for sale right there. And it has a porch. Those people have a boat. Yeah, I think I'll turn around. Go back to my camper. Of course, the awning's not up because it's supposed to have really high winds. It's not raining too hard right now. Although a big raindrop just fell on my glasses. Now I can't see. I guess I'll live. There's our camper right there. And our Jeep. Actually, it's Steven's Jeep. Just the three of us this trip. This is the longest, it's not the longest, what am I talking about? It's the first time in a long time that we have gone camping, just the three of us. And it's nice. I like it. It's like when Steven was little. Now he's all grown up. 20-year-old, 21-year-old. This is nice. This camper looks lonely out here in the middle by itself. It's easy to get in though. I can go over to the pier. The pier with the sign saying not to molest the alligators. All these wood chips don't look like they quite spread them yet. It probably should belong there. That's a muddy mess. Just wade right into the water over here. Pretend we're a boat. No alcoholic beverages or glass bottles allowed on pier. Oh. Caution! Dangerous alligators do not approach, feed, or molest. No golf carts, bike scooters, and skateboards allowed on pier. Yeah, that'd be kind of scary, actually. I mean, there's not really wind here. Look at this. It's just up here. And it's open. There's a bridge. Water tower. What if I can zoom in? See what it says. I guess I can't zoom in that far with my video. I'm a better still photographer. I saw a message pop up. My husband sent me a picture. I wonder if he sent me a picture of myself. Okay. Wind's coming up. In a few minutes, I'll have to go to the office and find out what the Wi-Fi password is. Hello, puppy. Woof, 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 woof. Hello. Hello, puppy. Hello. Hey, do you want to say hi? Hey. Hello, cutie. You want to say hi? No? Okay. No? Yes? Oh. What? That won't hurt you.
I guess it's the hood on it.
That could be.
He won't bite.
Hello. Yeah, you're cute. Yes, you are. You're cute. Have a great day. Okay, here we are back at our camper. Do, 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 do. I don't know why I have a Lady Gaga song in my head. Okay, here we are, our camper. I'll go to the back. Here's our fire pit. They must have bought the kit at Lowe's because it looks just like ours at home. Here's a tennis ball, a bunch of cigarette butts, some sort of a can, and then that we put there. I don't see any alligators. Now there is a picnic table. I think it belongs to that site. We do not seem to have a picnic table. No. Wi-Fi password and picnic table will be asked about. Yeah, we don't have a picnic table. What the heck? Huh. Well, I'll make sure we get one, assuming the sun comes up. The sun comes up. The sun is up. I meant, assuming it stops raining. There we go. Look, 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 we have a picnic table. We went out for a while. I told them at the desk that we didn't have a picnic table, and now we have a picnic table. We still have cigarette butts in the in the fire pit, but we have a picnic table. Yay!
So
Now we're taking a nice drive.
there's so many places to go on the beach. I'm so upset my four-wheel drive decided to break before we came here.
This is
Like,
North
dude.
Topsail Island. If your viewers want to know.
Look at viewers. All 12 of them.
Yeah, it's not a bad place. For the
They live in the mailbox.
What? They get mail?
No, I mean it's an actual like where you can, on the corner of the street, mail a letter.
What a dreary beach day.
Okay. I'm quoting what's this?
Ah, jeez. think the roads are flooded. Roads are flooded just a little bit.
That was good. I hope you got that. Woohoo! I think we gotta have some fun too.
Here's day 2 of our beach trip, and it finally stopped raining. Not really very conducive for swimming, but it's not raining, and the sun should be out in a few hours completely. So I am happy. I do love the beach when it's not raining. Let's see what the sign says. Can't quite read it. Still can't read it. Warning, no surfing, bodyboarding. I can't read the rest of that. So a whole bunch of stuff you're not supposed to do. Someone is smoking some weed. Oh my God, it is so strong. I don't see many people here. So there's only a few people it could be. Wow, it's strong. I'm getting a contact high. That's the only video. So Ken got wet and ran away from it. He almost got wet and tripped, and now I am taking his video. Isn't it beautiful?
I want to touch the water.
Go touch the water.
Touch the water.
I'll
First time
record
this
you
year.
touching the Atlantic Ocean for the first time since fall. Touch, touch. Stephen, go touch the water. Okay, Stephen and Ken are touching the water. Go swimming. Jump in. Oh, we touched it.
Touch the ocean first time this year.
But you didn't. Oh, goodness. Oh.
I love you.
I love you too. And we need to keep off the dunes. There.
The water's warm.
Yeah, well, go in.
Actually, it felt warmer than the air.
That is a very loud play. Boing, 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 boing. Aw, poor little dead jellyfish. These things hurt. Have you been stung by one? Oh my God. Jellyfish are not fun to be stung by. But still, I feel bad that this one's dead. Washed up on the shore. Sorry, little guy. I guess it's good weather for surfing. Saw some other people up there surfing. I don't know, I'm not a surfer. It looks very cold to me. But I'm probably getting a really good workout, especially today with these waves. Oh, that kid's gotta be freezing. Oh wait, he's gonna go in the water. Oh, it's gonna turn around. He must be from Alaska. Okay. Whew. Oh no, I just looked around. He came right back out real quick. Trying to record the sign, and I kind of almost have to climb on the dune to see it. It's in a very odd position. You can't see it from the... It shouldn't be facing the other way, like when you're heading towards the water, as opposed to when you're leaving the water. Anyway, so now you know. My editing skills aren't very good. I'm going to be splicing all these videos I've taken together into one continuous video. And it's going to be interesting. But hey, keep off the dunes. Except if you want to read that sign. No, I did not get onto the dune. I would not do that. But it would have been easier to see that sign that way. Off the beach, walking down the road, there's a car coming and a puddle there. I hope I don't, I'm moving way over here. Oh, he was nice, went around good. Palmetto trees. I always thought that palmetto trees and palm trees were the same thing, but they're not. These are palmetto trees. Palm trees are different. I like that we have palmetto trees only 3 hours, well, 3.5 hours from our house. I don't know why. I just like these trees. I think they're cool. There's this art gallery over here. Doesn't look open. Oh, it's Easter. It's Easter Sunday. Probably a lot of stuff not open. Keep forgetting it's Easter. I like the shape of these. They look like they've got personalities. Oh, Sugar Kingdom. Let's go to Sugar Kingdom. Who needs some sugar? Sugar Kingdom.
Art gallery.
I don't think the art gallery is open. There are no vehicles and it looks dark, except for that one porch light. And it says private home. No parking, private home. I don't think it's actually anything. I think someone just lives there. Yes, blue sky, kind of. And there is some boat parking. See if I can zoom in. If not, I'll walk towards it. Look at that. Parking for boats. Sugar Kingdom. Let's get some sugar. Would you like some sugar? Oh, there's a liquor store. ABC store. Carolina Shores, Southern Emporium, New York City, Deli, Surf City. We got a... Oh, coffee. We need coffee. Small craft coffee. Huh. Oh, this is funny. I wonder how many people use this. Crosswalk flags alert traffic when you want to cross. Pick up a flag before entering the crosswalk. Leave flag in container on other side of the street. That's interesting. I don't really think you need to do that. It's not like there's a lot of traffic. Well, there's no traffic. Look, there's no one down here. There's no one down here. I don't think we need to alert anyone that we're crossing. Maybe it's good when it's warm.
Someone didn't know how to take that turn.
Oh, look, let's go sit in an ice cream cone. All right, I dare you to take a bite out of the ice cream.
How much pain?
I will give you $1. Oh, that wasn't good. I am really not good at taking videos. I should practice. Sugar Kingdom. In we go. Okay, so Mickey and Minnie vacation in Surf City, North Carolina. Nice to know. Oh, apparently SpongeBob does as well. Oh, Mickey and Minnie look like they're having more fun though. I just saw a shark. Oh, there's a puppy. Do you want a dog? This is the best kind of dog. You don't have to feed it. Woof woof. Ah. Okay. Woof. And I saw a shark a second ago. This must be Minnie and Mickey's daughter. Wait. Yeah. Okay. Oh, there's a shark. There. Okay. Now this is a proper placement of this sign, because there is the beach. The other way was just not good. Someone left their Thomas towel. Aw. Beach, glorious beach. For emergency use only. Do not remove. Okay. Not really sure what that sign could be used for. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I really don't know what kind of an emergency that sign has. There's some people down there in the water. See if I can zoom in. Wait, that's not them, that's a wave. Where'd the people go? There they are. Oh, hello. How are you? What? Hey, I can see me in your glasses. Hi, hi, hi. Hello, little true pigeon on the pier. Is this your home? Are you taking shelter? Back at the campground, taking a walk, and it's not raining. Guess this is a much better walk. It's also warmed up. Not going to wear shorts today, but it's jeans and a long sleeve t-shirt weather. Actually, I'm a little bit warm. I could probably get away with short sleeve right now. Yeah, this campground would be fine, I think, in the warmer weather, which was last weekend and next weekend. Just not now. Not when we're here. It got yucky. But that's okay. Seems to be a lot of long-term people here. I think I mentioned that before. A lot of permanent campers. Haven't seen too many kids. There's a playground here, but I haven't seen any kids. Interesting. Well, now I'm going to find some alligators. Walking onto the dock again. This time without the rain. Still don't see any alligators.